It's important to analyze your circuit before moving to layout. Analysis helps identify possible field failures, allowing you to reduce development time and cost. Whether you're simulating your design for bias point, DC or AC sweep, or even time domain, you can easily create or edit your simulation profile based on what you want to analyze. Instead of manually plotting graphs, you can easily simulate and validate the behavior of your circuit with PSpice. Here, we're using a demo design of a closed-loop non-inverting amplifier. By simply adding voltage probes to our design, we can check the inputs and outputs of our circuit. Based on the equation for a differential amplifier and the resistor values used, we can calculate that the gain is about 5, and the output should be around 20 volts. As we can see, the results are just as expected and stay within the limits specified by the power rails. PSpice provides the flexibility to virtually create and test various designs before any hardware is developed, saving you time, money, and materials in the long run.